takes you home.
Right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my goals for 2020 and we're going to be putting them into a vision board. I've seen a lot of the girls that I follow on YouTube have been doing their 2020 vision boards. I've had a mood board slash vision board up on my shelf for quite a while, but it's kind of just been a mix of pictures that I think are pretty and my goals, but I want to completely find all of my goals in picture form and put them on this board. So I'm going to share with you what my goals are and show you the pictures. Some of the goals are specifically for 2020 and some of them are kind of just for the near future. So I'm thinking I'm going to have this vision board up for quite a while. And I do keep it on my shelf up here, which is directly in front of my bed. So when I wake up in the morning, it's the first thing that I see, and when I go to bed at night, it's the last thing that I see. So hopefully it'll kind of always be on my mind and I'll be able to reach these goals in 2020. And as I was planning this video, I was thinking I will do a follow-up video in December of this year, and we can kind of recap on the year and see if I have reached my goals or not. And if I have, that's great, and if I haven't, that's fine, we'll try again next year. Let's get straight into my goals. So the first few things I have are business bombshells related. So business bombshells, I will link my Facebook and Instagram and everything down in the description bar. So if you want to find out more about what that is, you can go and click those links and have a look around at that. But basically business bombshells is a network marketing business that I am a part of. I am absolutely in love with it. I think it is the best thing ever. In my last vlog, or the one before, I can't remember which one it was, I went to the Business Bombshells conference, which was absolutely amazing. I've met so many amazing people through this business. So 2020, I really want to work on my business. I want to be able to grow my business a lot more and just help a lot more people. And yeah, I don't know, business bombshells is something that I'm so passionate about, so I really want to have that as one of my main focuses for 2020. So I just have a little business bombshells thing, a little business bombshells cookie from the last conference, I think that was, and then the bombshell body bible as well. We have a new 10-day detox ebook thing in our Facebook group, so I want to try and get that done a few times this year as well. And then I just have two quotes. This one says, today's agenda, building my empire. And then this one says, for me, it's about the work and what I can make people think about and make people feel. Some of these are already cut out as well because I had these on my vision slash mood board before. And then some of these I've just printed out today. So the next lot is kind of health and fitness related. So I just have some pictures of yummy food. And then I have the Sarah's Day Sweat It to Shred It ebook cover as well. Because I started Sweat It to Shred It ebook I think twice last year and I only got to like week 2 or 3 each time. So this year my goal is to finish the ebook. I'm currently up to week 2. I did the first exercise of week 2 yesterday. So far so good. I have a lot more time on my hands now, so I'm able to work out as often as I can. So that is my goal this year, to finish the Sweat It to Shred It ebook. Hopefully I want to try and finish it maybe 2 or 3 times. When I finish it, I'll probably just start it again because I am really enjoying the workout so far. And then I just have these two kind of like body inspo pictures. I was a bit iffy about putting these up because I don't want to like compare myself to those girls, but this year I just want to get to my healthiest and strongest and fittest self. I feel like I am a relatively healthy person. I'm not fat, but I'm not fit. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to explain. I'm not working out or eating healthy or whatever to lose weight. I just want to be really healthy and fit, and that is one of my goals for 2020. So that's the health and fitness portion. And then the rest, this one is kind of for the near maybe not near future, within the next few years, but I want to start saving to move out of home. But I just have some house inspo. This is like a super organized pantry, and then just like a really nice living room, and then a really nice bedroom as well. So that's not something that I'm aiming for this year because I still need to save up quite a lot of money to be able to do that, but I want to put it on my vision board so I know what I'm aiming towards. And then I also have a picture of my Instagram account, and I've photoshopped a 10k followers onto the picture. So I want to try and reach 10,000 followers on Instagram this year. I think at the moment I'm up to 4.5. So hopefully we can double that, because that would be amazing. If we do, if we don't, that's fine, I'll keep trying. And then I also have my YouTube as well, and again I photoshopped the 10,000 subscribers on there. I want to try and reach 10,000 subscribers this year, and so far we are at 8,000. I really want to focus on YouTube this year. I want to be consistent with all my uploads and everything, and hopefully we can get to 10,000 subscribers because we're not that far off. And then I also have a photo of Queensland. I absolutely love Queensland, and I would like to go on a holiday to Queensland this year. It's not that big of a goal. It's quite achievable. Literally all I need to do is book flights and book a hotel. I live in Sydney, it's not that far away. But I would like to have a solo holiday, or like I want to travel somewhere by myself, and I'm too scared to go overseas, and I feel like I've been to Queensland thousands of times, so I feel like I can go to Queensland by myself and I'll be fine. And then I also just have a picture. This is actually a picture that I took myself the other day when I went to Starbucks. It's just of like my laptop and a coffee and stuff. I want to be able to work from wherever the hell I want. I want to, this is kind of ties in with like business bombshells and social media and everything. I would love to be able to work for myself. So I'm gonna put some music on, cut all this stuff up, and then we'll put it all together on the mood board. I've just finished my vision board. Ooh, I'm gonna stand up. This is it. Pictures are a bit crooked. I pinned them to the board because last time I stuck them and it like ripped off all the cork. So try to cover that up. But I've got like my business bombshells up here. My camera battery is flashing red, so I'm gonna be really quick. Business bombshells, home, fitness, Instagram, YouTube, and just life. So that is my vision. That is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what your top 2 goals for 2020 are down in the comments below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.